So you're already using ChatGPT, and while that's awesome, there is one little problem. You're not making any money with it. And I'll tell you right now what you don't need. You don't need a better prompt. In fact, you can be the best prompt engineer on the planet, and that's not going to make the cash register ring. My name is Matt Lights, and since 2008, we've been helping businesses of all sizes, from brand new startups all the way to over $100 million and more, to use AI and chatbots to absolutely dominate. It's taken our tiny little company and put us on the Inc. 5000 list in back-to-back years, and it's helped our students and our clients generate millions of leads, and I don't even know how many millions of dollars in sales. Most importantly, we help people like you create amazing customer experiences, because here's the deal. If you want to get real results with AI, like game-changing results, then you can't just use ChatGPT the same old way as everybody else. And don't get me wrong, ChatGPT is great, but instead of using it as another tool, like a cool way to save yourself a little bit of time, what we do is train ChatGPT to actually go to work for you, generating leads, booking appointments, servicing clients 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Just imagine having ChatGPT working for you and doing it with absolutely zero technical skills. And heck, you don't even need any previous business experience to do this. But rather than just tell you about it, because I know talk is cheap, I want you to see this with your own eyes. And when you click on that button, I'm not only going to teach you how all this works, I'm going to take you behind the scenes. We're going to pull back the curtain, go step by step, and by the time we get done, you'll not only know more about AI than 99% of the people out there, you'll know exactly what you need to do to take ChatGPT and turn it into a well-oiled sales machine. But you got to take the first step. Click on that button. It's absolutely free. And hey, look, feel free to come as a skeptic. I know there's a lot of guys on here telling you all about their magic money machines. And while I'll never say that this is easy, business is never easy. I will tell you that if you sleep on this one, you're going to kick yourself in the pants later. You already know that AI is the biggest thing to come around since probably the internet. And you just need to know exactly what you got to do to actually capitalize on that. So click on that button and let's get to work, and I will see you on the training.